happy to report that yesterday afternoon we carried out our very first drive on Mars.
Three, 2, 1, ignition. We have liftoff. FC2, please prepare for section 35, OSC, FC1, LPM.
Plus 30 seconds, Starship 10 has liftoff. It's headed to 10 kilometers on its test flight from Boca Chica in Cameron County, Texas. Coming up on T plus 4 minutes, we're at 10 kilometers. We've gone into the hover. We're still being powered by the single Raptor engine. Plus 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Starship has transitioned. It's flipped to the horizontal mode, beginning the descent back to the landing zone.
The SN9 just crash landed. You hear that blast?